In this video, we're going to talk about adjusting your voltage regulator. This is the part that most people call the voltage regulator in their car. But if we look inside, we see there are two electromagnetic relays. This one over here is the cutout relay, and we're not going to talk about that today. This relay right here, which consists of an electromagnetic coil, this set of contact points right there, and this L-shaped arm that you see, this is the actual voltage regulator in your car. Now, I've drawn a large replica of what that looks like. Okay, this is the voltage regulator relay. This is the electromagnetic coil that you saw. She sits like that. This lead coming up and over is actually a metal arm, and it has battery power in it. This lead on the other side of the set of contact points, right here, goes back to the field and the generator. Now, we've learned in earlier videos that if I take power from the battery and convert it and bring it up here and let it go through to the field and the generator is going to begin to make electricity and the voltage is going to begin to climb. As the voltage climbs, this electromagnet will get stronger and stronger and stronger. Let me show you what happens. I've taken and I've made a little arm to represent the metal arm that's inside there. Now remember, she's got battery voltage going in there. So imagine battery voltage going up, coming over, going to the field, and the generator is making more and more electricity. This electromagnet is getting stronger and stronger and stronger until at some point she will pull this arm down. When she does, electricity can't get to the field, the generator stops making electricity. When it stops making electricity, the voltage begins to fall. When the voltage falls, the magnet gets weak, and there's a spring on this arm right here which pushes it back up again. Boop. Now, when you're driving down the road, this is opening and closing at a fast rate. You can actually hear it. It makes a kind of a bzzz noise. It's very, very fast. And by opening and closing like that, it maintains the voltage where we want it to be in the car. Now imagine that we've put the new regulator in, we cleaned the points like we were supposed to, we set them with a field gauge, we've put everything in, we start the car, and we realize with our voltmeter that the voltage is not what we want. It's either a little too high or a little too low, and we want it changed. Okay, how do we do that? If you'll notice, on the back of the relay, right here, there it is, there's an adjusting screw. This one's painted yellow. Okay. There's a spring-loaded arm here, and if I turn this screw clockwise, so from the back I turn it clockwise, it will raise the voltage that this system will maintain in my car. If I turn this screw counterclockwise, it will lower the voltage that this will keep in my car. So then, if my car is sitting in the driveway turning about 1,500 revolutions per minute, I can take the cover off my voltage regulator, I can turn the screw gently, leaving my voltmeter on my battery to see what's happening, and I can adjust the voltage to where I want it to be, the specifications that we talked about earlier. So now we know how all this works and how you can go about adjusting it.